Coming up with your perks is a key part of adding sponsorships to your channel. You should ask yourself what you can offer that'll make your viewers want to sponsor you while being realistic for you to deliver. For example, is there something they've asked for in comments, or would they like the chance to vote on what your next video should be about? Think about what you can offer that will allow your sponsors to get to know you better, or that they can't get anywhere else. Just keep in mind that you'll actually have to deliver those perks, so you'll want to make sure they're realistic. When you're starting out with sponsorships, it's impossible to know how many sponsors you're going to get. But ask yourself, if you get just 10 sponsors, will you still be happy to provide the perks you've promised? And if you get 10,000 sponsors, will you still be able to deliver all the perks? Think about these ingredients for a great perk. It doesn't cost you much, time or money, but your viewers can't get it anywhere else. It's scalable, the time it takes to deliver it remains as your number of sponsors grows, and it pleases all your sponsors at once. It keeps them engaged, month after month. After all, they're making monthly payments. It doesn't alienate your non-sponsors. We don't recommend that you take anything away from your regular viewers. Your sponsors are paying to get more. But these are just suggestions. It's up to you to come up with the perks that you think will work for your channel. We want to let you know that a few things aren't permitted as perks, like contests or lotteries, downloads of any content that's available on YouTube, and sharing content you do not have legal rights to share with others. Also, you're responsible for protecting any information you may collect from your sponsors, so think twice before offering perks that require asking sponsors for things like their email or home address. And remember to keep to YouTube's community guidelines. If you'd like a refresher on these, just click the card in the corner. But there are all sorts of perks that are allowed. Here are just a few ideas. Your perks can come in the form of videos. Just remember that using rough cuts, bloopers, or behind-the-scenes footage might be more realistic than making totally new videos for your sponsors. You can also offer early access to your regular videos or exclusive live streams. You can share videos with your sponsors by making them unlisted and posting the link in a sponsors-only post on the community tab. Your perks can be extra ways to engage with your videos, such as sponsors-only chat on live streams, or the chance to participate in polls or suggest ideas for your next video. They can be other types of content like photos, text updates, or GIFs on the community tab. Or you can give your sponsors special status by calling them out or showing their name on screen in a video. There are lots more possibilities. Sponsorships is a blank canvas. So really think about them, be creative, and do what works for you. For each perk, you need to enter a title that will grab their attention, a short description that they'll understand, and any instructions they might need to be able to find and enjoy the perk. Once you've added your perks, you can submit them for review. Our team will take a look and let you know as soon as possible if they're okay or if we have any concerns. By the way, your perks aren't set in stone forever. You'll be able to make changes to them in the future if you need to. If you do make changes, we'll review them again before they go live, and then you get to decide when to publish the changes to your sponsors. You should also let your sponsors know about any changes. They can cancel at any time, so communicating with them clearly and treating them fairly is crucial if you want to keep their support. Remember, you don't need to complete everything all at once. You can take a breather at any time by saving your draft. Thanks for watching.